We have a challenge. Is it possible to fit all this into one backpack? Let's find out. Wait, actually this here as well, and this here. We actually also need to pack this here and this here. Is it possible to pack all these into one backpack? These are the pro minimalist packing tips that I learned in 2.5 years of traveling full-time around the world, and you are gonna learn it in just one video. Watch until the end. The first thing we want to do is to fold and roll in the most efficient way. We're gonna turn this mess here into something that we can fit in just one 30-liter backpack. For the shirt, what you want to do is button it and also roll it. Now here you can see literally everything I have. Take a look with me. We have shorts, 2 shorts. We have 2 black t-shirts, exactly the same ones. We have a black polo that is exactly like this one. We have this green shirt, long sleeve, this bag for the shoes. We have 1, 2, 3 sport shorts, 2 of the same exact fast drying, super fast drying t-shirts, compressing cube. We're gonna talk about this and this in a second. Flip-flops, Vibram 5 fingers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 pair of boxers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs of socks. We have the 5-finger socks. We have the normal socks. Then we also have all these chargers. So we have a charger for normal USB for the iPhone. We have a fast charger for the iPhone. We have one for the Apple Watch. We have this pulse oximeter. This is one of these nerd things that I carry with me. These noise cancelling in-ear headphones. This connector as well, you can have all the connections you want. This is for the mic that I'm using right here. So I have this double mic for interviews. I have this charger, this here, other headphones, earplugs, other headphones. My goodness, do I have too many headphones? This ball and this, that is for my calves, for my legs. Laptop, running shoes, for other type of running, the rain jacket, moccasins, more formal shoes, toolkit with the charger of the beard trimmer, the nail clipper, toothpaste, and the dental floss. And one of the things that I value the most is my journals. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, I have 16 journals, and I think that it's time to really soon ship them home. Because I will not be able to pack this all the time. And now comes the hard part and the fun part, which is fitting everything into one backpack. We're gonna see the strategies. This is the most critical part. This is the most essential. You have to know how to pack all these things together in a really efficient way. That's why we are using these packing cubes. They are essential. If you don't have packing cubes, it's almost impossible to fit all these things in the backpack. But I will show you the shoes trick, I will show you the packing cube trick, I will show you different tricks, strategies that I learned during these years traveling, so you can make it happen, make the magic happen. The first thing is the packing cubes. You wanna have the clean side and the dirty side, and know which clothes go into which one. That is helpful because not all the time you have clean clothes when you travel to the next spot and you're gonna wash them in the next spot. So we wanna fit everything. My trick is I use the Word as the dirty ones and the clean ones, the side that is completely clean. Also, you want to make sure that you are using this completely open and expanded, and then we are going to use the power of this to make 30% more space by compressing it. Okay, the smelling technique never fails. This one is the clean one, all right? Dirty side is ready, clean side. On the clean side, I differentiate between the two. The formal clothes, so we have the shorts, we have the t-shirts, all right? And I'm gonna use this one for the clean sports clothes. Okay, the underwear, I also fit it here. As I said, it's difficult to close when it is like this, but you always use it in the expanded version. And then it is much easier. Make sure that everything is in one layer to max up the space. Close, and then the magic. Oh! Right? Yeah. Look at that. The same with this one. A little bit of booty help and make the magic happen. I use this one for my bulkiest stuff, like the rain jacket, and things that I'm gonna ship home really soon, or things that I don't use that often. For example, these headphones or this. These are past journals, so as well, they fit in here. And the rain jacket. The rain jacket, depending on the size of your bag, you might want to roll it, but if you see the space that we have here available, it makes more sense to not roll it as much. Basketball shirt, look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. From the Mexican Oaxacan basketball team. All right, done. Next up is going to be the toiletries. Right, so everything fitting here, the trimmer, charger. Now we try to fit these guys in, then we put the dental floss. Oh my god, this is not gonna close. This is not gonna close. We have a couple bends that are always useful. And these tiny guys over here. Let's see if we can work some magic. Oh my goodness, this is not gonna close. All right, it closes. So we have another one. Now we are getting to the interesting stuff because we are running out of space. I bought some new stuff here, here, and I'm afraid that it's not gonna fit in the backpack. Let's find out. The next step is to make sure that we don't have stuff in the backpack and a power bank. We want to expand, because otherwise it is impossible, the 20-liter to 30-liter nomadic backpack. This one is my favorite. I bought it twice. The bulkiest here on this part of the backpack, and the lighter it is closer to the end. But as you can fit it. For example, as you can see, these packing cubes fit really well together in this backpack. It's also like tailor-made, and we can close it pretty well. The thing is, we need to be really strategic with the shoes. The issue that I have is that I bought these new shoes. Probably they don't fit here, but I will carry it here as my hand luggage. We are gonna pack these ones because you see that it has this shape over here. We have this space, because otherwise, even if you fold it like this, it's gonna use space. So better to stuff it like this, boom. And I'm gonna use this to put it on this finger of the 5 fingers. Optimal. You want to maximize everything. If you have a 5 fingers, use that big toe, all right? Use that toe. And then we want to start with all the electronics. I use this leaf. I can put my laptop in there. I always I'm looking for this, for the charger, because sometimes I charge directly here, directly to the plug, and I don't have to take my laptop out. I always keep the charging part up, and it is really easy for TSA to boom, boom. Then the charger as well to the very bottom. The power bank, I keep it here handy. On the top, the charge that I use more often, and I'm putting here the ones that I will probably not need during my trip. I also have a lighter. It's great. For example, here I have fire pit, so it's useful, fit it in. And I'm gonna use these headphones, so here, along with the passport and some cash and cards. It looks pretty stuffed already, and we still need to fit all this. How are we gonna do it? Aha, I have the magic trick. I can open the backpack from here, so I can see if there's some extra space I can use, like here. Boom, the ball fits in here. These journals that I use very often, gonna go here. It is closing, it is closing. And the rest, inside, where are we gonna put this? Inside the shoes. Then I'm gonna put this here. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna put my moccasins on. Look at that, look at that. Look at that. And we are ready to go to the airport. Hand luggage, you can go with this bag. This one, 30 liters, that fits in all the compartments of the plane. Less than 10 kilos, because I know it's less than 10 kilos. I weighed it, it's usually 9 kilos. And we are good to go. Challenge completed, and we are saying goodbye to this home, to Floripa, to go to our next destination, where you'll see in the next video.